What if the most valuable car in the world is one that doesn't exist? Imagine a hypercar so revolutionary it threatened to change everything. A masterpiece of engineering, born in a secret lab. And then, imagine the men who built it being ordered to destroy every trace of its existence. The blueprints burned, the prototype crushed, $1 billion secret wiped from history. But secrets have a way of escaping. And welcome to Specura Next. The automotive world celebrates its legends, the Bugatti Chirons, the Pagani Huayras. But for every legend, there are ghosts. Cars deemed too radical, too expensive, or too dangerous to ever see daylight. These are the factory escape hypercars, machines officially erased from history that somehow survived. The story begins in top-secret design studios. Engineers create something extraordinary, a powertrain defying physics, aerodynamics from science fiction. The prototype performs beyond expectations. Then corporate reality hits. The board calculates it would need to sell for $20 million. Or marketing declares the design too controversial. The order comes. Terminate the project. Erase it. But the engineers who poured their souls into this masterpiece can't destroy it. So they become accomplices in saving art from its creators. Paperwork states the prototype has been crushed. Yet in the dead of night, it's wheeled into a waiting transporter destined for a hidden garage where few will ever know it exists. These escaped machines vary. Some are failed prototypes, perfect cars that didn't fit commercial strategy. Others are test mules, brutal vehicles pushing technologies to their limits. Then there are design studies, concept cars so advanced they were never meant for production. Most get destroyed, but a privileged few disappear into private collections. The owners exist in a shadow world. They can't register these vehicles legally or drive them publicly because manufacturers never stop hunting these prototypes. Corporate security teams have one mission: find and eliminate them. These cars represent massive intellectual property violations containing proprietary technology the company may use in future models. The tracking methods resemble spy novels. Investigators monitor underground car meets, track unusual shipping patterns, cultivate sources among collectors. When they find an escaped prototype, the legal machinery activates. The owner receives a cease and desist letter demanding immediate return. The company may offer a settlement, but only if the vehicle gets destroyed. This creates a standoff between the world's wealthiest individuals and automotive giants. Collectors argue they're preserving history. Manufacturers call it stolen trade secrets. It's a legal gray area never properly tested in court. None want the publicity. So why take such risk? Why spend millions on a car that might bring a corporate army to your door? The answer lies in ultimate collecting psychology. Normal hypercars, even limited editions, remain commodities available to anyone with enough money. But a factory escape? That's beyond wealth. It represents access to secrets and privileges even billionaires can't normally buy. These ghost cars represent pure automotive passion. They're not investments or status symbols. They're secret treasures cherished for representing unbridled creativity, freed from commercial constraints. The what-if scenarios that survived against all odds. Maintaining these vehicles presents unique challenges. With no factory service manuals or authorized dealerships, owners must employ engineers who can reverse engineer components. Every repair is custom, every service an exercise in forensic engineering. It requires resources beyond financial wealth, needing technical expertise and absolute dedication. As technology evolves, this shadow world faces new challenges. Digital record keeping makes disappearing prototypes harder, while 3D printing facilitates recreating rare parts. The cat and mouse game continues evolving, but the human desire to preserve beauty and innovation remains constant, even when the system demands destruction. These ghost cars symbolize rebellion against corporate conformity. They honor engineers risking careers to save creations. They remind us that true value isn't always determined by markets or corporate strategies. Sometimes the most valuable things are those never supposed to exist. So next time you see a groundbreaking hypercar unveiled with fanfare, remember, somewhere in a hidden garage, there might be an even more revolutionary machine hiding in shadows, a ghost from the past holding secrets about automotive future, a masterpiece meant to be forgotten, but refusing to disappear. What do you think? Are these collectors preserving history or violating corporate rights? Let us know in the comments. And if you think secret hypercars are fascinating, you haven't seen anything yet. Subscribe to Specura Next, where we reveal secrets they don't want you to know. The most fascinating stories aren't the ones being told, they're the ones being hidden.